You searched how to buy shares of Spectral AI Inc. Spectral AI Inc. trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MDAI and focuses on spectral imaging and AI solutions. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MDAI to find Spectral AI Inc. Make sure you select the listing that matches NASDAQ and the exact company name. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart for recent trading activity. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio with share quantity and current value. For more details and the platform link, check the description below.